Good morning, everybody. Here's a quick video on how to install the sight right target reference card onto your Slingshot frame. This is going to be a quick one on the wrap and tuck method. So let's begin. First, get your Slingshot. Using here a simple shot scout. Choose the appropriate size target that you're going to use on here. So that's a little bit too small, as you can see. Too big. Too big. That one looks about right. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this one out right here. I've already got one magically cut out for us. So, and that's gonna go right back of there, right there with the wrap and tuck method. So let's go ahead and try to get that installed. So first, here's a piece of band, just for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna tie it on here. So do a couple turns here. Okay. We'll go ahead and wrap this over. Hold down with your finger. Tie card onto there. Make sure it's facing the right way. You can adjust it after it's on there a little bit. Get my line here, fish it through. So let's get a couple more turns. 1, 2. Hold it on the back side. Oops. Make sure we got that going the right way. Push this through. I got a little bit too much tie there, but that'll work. Cut the excess off. And there you go, that's how it's tied onto the back. With the band pulled back here. On the front, you can adjust it here a little bit. It's pretty snug in there. So when you aim, it's going down, right down the line. Now what you can also do, if you want it more secure, and for example, this is the frame that you always use, you can see the marks back here. Use these right here. See the ridges back here? You can actually cut a notch into that card, and that notch would secure this card there, and it really wouldn't move then. But this is pretty secure. I wouldn't. This is tight enough. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to mess up your bands when you keep shooting it. Some people I've seen some people round off the corners. That's up to you if you want to do that or not. Probably gets caught on their jacket or whatnot. I like to leave the corners on because that helps me keep it level, because subconsciously your mind sees that 90-degree angle and tell when it's level or not. I mean, as you can see right there. Well, that's how simple it is for the wrap and tuck. Let me go ahead and show you the Ocularis right now.